So the next thing I want to repair is the edge of this box, because chisels are all ready for the handles to be done and that needs doing, and then I can do the handles. But this box is looking a bit sad and I need to leave it a few days to dry. So what I've come up with is I'm going to mix a bit of PVA with some water. I'm carefully going to put some of that in there. I'm going to open that with a scalpel, feed it in there and then cramp it. So let's see what we can do. So I'm mixing the glue, the PVA up, and it's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to cut along this edge here to allow the PVA into there. Separate the layers a little bit. Just put the glue in there. And then get this clear film, put that on the inside, put that on the inside of there, wrap that over and push it down two cramps. That's it. Now work on this one. As you can see, there's quite a lot of PVA gone onto that bit. So let's get the film. I'm going to put this piece of wood on the inside. So let's just roll that over a little bit. Lift it up a bit. I'm going to just get the scalpel and just push that against there. Pull this piece over, start laying it where I want it. That's nice. That's not bad at all. Roll it over the edge like that. It's probably going to get PVA everywhere, but I've got a plan for that. So. And let's just cramp it like that. Let's turn that one round so that the weight's evenly distributed. That's better. Let's put this on here. There you go, that's pretty good. Leave that for a couple of days, come back to it. Couple of days later, let's zoom out a bit. Couple of days later, and I'm ready to take the cramps off. So I hope you followed that. I've left this. I have no idea what it's going to look like. I can't wait. But look what's happened. I've changed the pieces of wood so they're orientated better. I've got the weight of the cramps here coming inside, and I've got the end of that so that it can't bend that cardboard too much, because that there will stop it coming in too much. Should we take them off and have a look? I can't wait. I'm just hoping this is good. All right. I've never done this before. Never done it before. I have no idea. And what a way to repair the box. And the box needed it. So, right. Okay. So the film's still there, so we can see that shiny film. Oh, okay. And let's get this off. It's like Christmas. In fact, this is, yeah, like my Christmas. These little cramps, by the way, I've got to say, these little cramps, if you're in the UK, Wilko, these little cramps, they're about £3 each. And they're so useful. And they weigh nothing. I need to do a piece on those. I'll do a piece on those. Right. So nervous. Because all this stuff is, I don't prepare it. It's all live for you guys. Let's put the light here. I suppose what I'm looking at is this sort of dampish patch around here. How is that going to survive? Let's pull it off the bench a bit. How is that going to survive? Is it going to stick to the film? Is it going to come off okay? Oh, my life. Oh, wow. Okay. Why isn't it coming off this side? Oh, there's a bit of glue just held there. Oh, it's still a bit damp. Okay, still a bit damp, but that's not. Have a look in there. See how these down there. So what it's done is it's left a bit on the film, right in the middle of the shot there, and right in the middle of the shot there. That's not bad. So now I know that I need to leave it more than a couple of days. Do I risk taking this one off, because this is the worst one? So I can see there's a little bit of a patch. I wonder if I were to get the hot air gun on it. But I want it to dry. Actually, this isn't too bad. Look at its tiny bit. Just slowly let it peel. I'm not after perfect. Okay, so I've lifted that up to the... Actually, that one's fallen away. Really... Oh my life, that's good. Oh my life, I can't believe that. So I think I'll let it dry and see how it dries. I can't believe that. I can't believe it's that good. Well. I mean, look, you've probably spotted it on the videos before. This side was all mashed up. That's... Okay. Let's leave it another couple of days. I can repair cardboard boxes. Right, okay, that'll do for now. If you enjoy my channel and what I do, you can donate and support the channel. If you scroll down, go to the thanks button, which is just there, hit that. You can choose to donate £2, £5, 10 or £50, which helps me improve my channel. Cheers, guys.